Your account is more than just a username and password. It's where your assets live. That's why security matters more than ever. Protecting your account is protecting your investment. With 2FA, you add extra protection. It's simple and essential. Let's set up 2FA in a few simple steps, so only you have access every time. First, log into your account. Then, click on the Profile option located at the top right of the page, and from the drop-down menu, select the Security section. On the Security page, click on the Bind button in the Google Authenticator code section. On the next page, you will see the Google Authenticator app, which you can download from the App Store or Google Play. After downloading and installing the app on your mobile device, you need to copy the 16-digit code generated in the second section. Then, open the Google Authenticator app and use the plus button to enter the 16-digit code. This will generate your two-factor authentication code. Alternatively, you can generate the two-factor authentication code by scanning the QR code with the Google Authenticator app. In the third step, click on the Get Code button to receive a 6-digit code sent to your email address. After entering this code in the designated field, enter the 6-digit code generated by the Google Authenticator app in the corresponding section. Finally, click the Bind button. The Google Authentication setup has been successfully completed, and you can see its active status on the Security page.